Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the wax guard on your hearing aid. Earwax buildup is the #1 cause of hearing aid problems, and it has been difficult to manage until now. Like the name suggests, the wax guard prevents earwax from accumulating in the hearing aid receiver, keeping it free from debris and having to send the hearing aid out for servicing. The wax guards are disposable, and each hearing aid manufacturer has their own exclusive models, so you need to get replacement wax guards that they're made for your specific make and model of hearing aid. A couple of common questions are, how often do I need to replace the wax guard, and where do I get them? You can get replacement wax guards from your audiologist. The standard recommendation for replacement is once a month. However, some people produce more wax than others, and for them, we recommend weekly or bi-weekly replacements. A good rule of thumb is if there is a reduction of sound and the batteries are fairly fresh, then immediately replace the wax guards. Wax guards typically come in a pack of 8. If you have 2 hearing aids, it should last approximately 4 months. But depending on how much wax your ears secrete, the replacements could be more often. Follow your audiologist recommendation for wax guard replacement. This package opens from the top. You'll notice that each of the orange sticks has a point, which is the end used to remove the old wax guard from their hearing aid receiver. Sometimes they may have ridges to indicate the removal side, or a spear. Insert the spear into the middle of the used wax guard. Twist once or twice clockwise to a tightened state and then pull them apart. At this point, the wax guard is out of the receiver and onto the orange stick. Now, the new wax guard is ready for insertion. Flip the tool 180 degrees and insert it into the middle of the receiver, pushing in a bit hard to secure it well. Then pull the tool out and dispose of it. One-time use per tool or stick is highly recommended. If you're experiencing shorter wax guard life than your audiologist predicted, then your hearing aid may be not working properly and should be evaluated. If you have any questions or to schedule a free hearing evaluation, please call our office at the number below. And for more videos and helpful hearing information, visit our website at hearingaidoctors.com. Thanks for watching.